Yeah, so that's 1 meter wide and it's moving to 89 centimeters wide. And it's 1 meter 30 tall and it's moving to about 1 meter 20.
It's 10 centimeters in width and 10 centimeters in length that we lose.
Yeah.
That's really not the end of the world.
Plus we add 2 roof windows that side and 1 roof window that side. So Bruno's been putting all these new beams into, what is it? What's the word? To do what? Enhance the strength of the... Does that mean we still have those, we'd still need columns underneath in the middle? It's got to be solid. And then that will all be our new house. That'll be the bedroom at the front. Up at this end will be the top of the stairs and a bathroom with a bath and a nice roof window, a nice coffee, and then between where I'm standing and that fireplace will be kind of like a long, thin hobby room. So we've ordered the fireplace. Bruno's...
It won't even be that thin.
I think it's enough for a hobby room. It's as big as some people's bedrooms, really, isn't it?
As I said, it is thin because it is less wide than it is long, but
yeah,
it is very generous because from here, you know,
from that wall,
this is one concrete. This is the concrete box.
Yeah.
And between these two boards, I pour the concrete.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. But from here, where the wall will be, to the chimney is probably nearly 3 meters, and then it's the whole 8 meters.
Is that
wide.
really 3 meters? You kidding me? Is it?
About a little less, maybe. I guess it's 270.
Honestly, that doesn't even look as long as the length of a normal sized bed. Is it really? That's 2 meters. All right, so it's only 2 meters and 20, really, isn't it?
Yeah. After the chimney is plastered and everything.
Exactly.
That's...
So a 2 meters wide room, that basically just that would be the length of a double bed. So you could put a double bed in it from head to foot that way.
Whatever, you would do that in your hobby room, but yes.
Yeah, because it could be a guest room, that's why.
No, it is my hobby room. I think you missed the point there.
Oh,
sweetheart.
Bruni. That's the fire hole. We've been learning about how to make the 2 oh god, I get confused with units. 22 centimeters diameter hole has to go into a 12 centimeter hole at the back of the fire. We've ordered the fire, we've ordered the window, Bruno's building the wall. We have to make all that like walled in for winter as well. Probably just wall it across there because that's all open and that's much harder to deal with, especially because that roof over there still has to come out. So we don't want to build walls on top of roofs that still have to come out. I think it'd be okay to have the fireplace this side. I don't think you need it facing a bed. If it faces this side, we'll be able to face a couch, won't it? This will end up being probably our living room up here, won't it?
The 270 that we just went to.
Yeah, that will be plenty of room because we can put a couch in that corner there and have a fire at the top of the stairs. The bed will most likely go over there most of the time, and possibly the kitchen will be somewhat set up over there, unless it's set up downstairs. The toilet will definitely be downstairs, I would assume. Most likely also the shower. Assume. Because I guess you can run downstairs in the cold, rip off a fuzzy dressing gown and get under a hot shower without too many problems. And then
But what if you want to have a lengthy shite, as I prefer to?
Oh dear. So we have to have a shit bucket in the bedroom.
Medieval style.